Did you lot know that the currency in Jamaica is almost 9 times stronger than the Nigerian currency, the naira? Nigeria that has oil, Nigeria that has gold, Nigeria that has platinum, a tiny island that holds about 3 million people situated under Cuba with not even a fraction of that resources, currency is 9 times stronger than the naira. 5,000 naira is 524 Jamaican dollars. $524 in Jamaica can't even buy patty cocoa bread and a drink. And 5,000 naira is 524 JMDs, bro. How is this possible? That means one of these, and yes, I know this is the old design from last year. When I went to Jamaica last year, May and June, this was what was being used. The new design didn't come out yet until I've left. Now, back to what I'm talking about. Don't get, sidetracked. One of these, 1,000 JMDs, is basically 11,000 naira. This is so disgraceful, bruv. It's so disgraceful. Nigerian people, hear me. I don't know what you lot need to do to your prime minister or your government, but whatever comes to your mind, do it. How can you have oil as your main resource and your currency is so bad? That government is taking the piss. Good night.